I know everybody said that it was a waste of time and that we don't have to cover up our zipboard sheeting, basically because it is waterproof, but we don't have any of the tape or the glue or anything on it. We just have the boards put up on the house, which means if the wood on the edges get wet, it could swell. And before anybody comments and says that it's not going to swell, it does. And how we know that? One of the boards on the very bottom stack that has been covered up this whole time got wet and it has swelled up majorly, like double the size of the board. And besides all that, it just made him feel better. If you spent this much money on some wood, you would probably do the same thing. Maybe you wouldn't, but probably. And we know houses get wet all the time. We've already had it rain on our house plenty of times. We just didn't want it to rain on the sheeting. So for now, we're covering our house in a ton of black plastic. And once the rain passes by, Dustin's gonna get started on sheeting the roof. And speaking of the roof, he's not done with it, guys. He may be a beginner on framing, but he knows what he's doing. It's just him. So when I post a video and there's things missing, it's just because he hasn't gotten around